Yes, clearly. I mean, Nat feels very, very strongly that a consistent means needs to be presented to the public. We regard drone users in kind of three categories: clueless, careless, and criminal, and to try and help those that are careless or unaware, it needs to be made easy. And so we've made the step of implementing what we've called the Airspace User Portal, which provides the public and commercial operators a single place through which that permission can be granted, and we can then forward those requests to the appropriate authorities that have the permission to do so. That delivers a consistent means of access to the public.
So within the aerodromes that you are responsible for, do you have a standardised process?
Yes, that's correct. And we were also proposing to forward those requests onto those airports that we do not manage as well, so that it provides a single access from the public, and we can then forward that onto our operation centres, our airports, other airports, the police, whoever is required to give access. And we think, as well as giving that consistent means of access to the public, it also means for the airport and for the police, when there is disruption and it occurs, you're much better placed to undertake an assessment of the risk and identify those that are acting responsibly, because you have some knowledge of who is meant to be flying there at the same time. We may come on to counter drones later on, but the use of that technology in the absence of an expected traffic picture is of limited value, we believe. So we believe it adds a lot of value.